explain about multi-handler exploits. To understand about multi-handler exploits, we first need to know what is an exploit. Hmm. An exploit is a piece of software uh, that takes advantages of bugs in the software and creates a destruction. We can say it takes the advantages of a bug and creates destruction. Mm, wha- that is exploit. And what is session? A session, for suppose we are logged into a Gmail account and we performed some action and we got back. That means we logged out. This time period or this time period is known as session. When does actually a session begin? That means when a user logs into his computer and logs out, uh, then there is then he performed a session. Okay. uh, Coming to shell code. Okay, it is also used as payload. Payload is nothing but, in general, what is a payload? Payload is a, we can say, it is a heavy load. Payload is nothing but a heavy load. Coming to coming to computers or coming to malicious software, payloads are nothing but they are the amount of destructed data. If it increases, then we say payload increases. Or shell code. um, when we are exploiting a remote computer, mm, uh, we can perform that action only after gaining a shell access to that computer. mm, Only after gaining shell access to that computer. And in remote accessing of victim computer, we use this code, use exploit multi-handler. Actually, now going back to multi-handler exploit. mm, Here, to gain access over a system or a remote computer, we exploit that system by sending them a malicious file which is infected with a trojan. When they execute the trojan in their computer, this exploit, which is a software, it executes and uh, it, it takes control over the bugs and it creates a backdoor. Means we are exploiting the system with a trojan and we are creating a backdoor. Okay. Use exploit slash multi slash handler. Here, multi handler exploit, it means, for suppose there are 10 pieces and you have to gain access over them. We share in common a file which is having a trojan file infected in it, and we ask them to download, or mm, we ask them to copy that file in their system, or they click it. For so- we can we can share we can share it like a movie or a link, so that they could open it, and the trojan in the file gets executed in the system. And using exploit multi-handler is nothing but, um, we got uh, we had a shell control over a system. We gained access to one system, and without using exploit multi-handler, after gaining access of a single computer, the uh, it the session ends after gaining only one PC. Here, exit on session false. Here we do this because we want to gain access over the 10 computers, and after gaining access of one computer, we don't want to stop there. We want to access remaining all the computers. So if you use exit on session false, it means after uh, exit on session means after starting the session, exit, it shouldn't exit. So that's why we are using exit on session false. Means, after having one beginning of a session, we should the process shouldn't be exited. So that's why you are using exit on session false. In general, exploit multi-handler is nothing but handling exploit in multiple environments or multiple computers at a single time. Auto run script persistent. Actually this code is used while we are exploiting, because it creates a backdoor and it traces back, um, and this is used to trace back. That's it. This is about exploit, and multi-handler exploit is handling systems, or handling victim pieces. Uh, okay, and we if we want to continue, um, and even this can system. Okay, this is multi-handler exploit. That's it.